first day up, the new color. It looks sick. It had so much attention on the road, man. Like, damn. Oh my god. Welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna go to Strad Pizza with some homies. This thing has a V8 too, so this thing's sick. And then Jordan's about to pull up in his 1UZ swap Mark III Supra. So let's cut to that real quick. Dude, V8 in the Supra is insane. That's such a unique swap. So yeah, we're gonna go cruise to Strad Pizza right now. Real quick. Dude, that thing sounds so good. Amazing.
We have to do it.
This is Forza content, right?
Right. This is not real life.
Yeah, this is not real life. Dude, that thing spun. If it hooked, I would have been cooked. I would have been cooked if that thing hooked. Like, damn. Made it. We got a Chiron's just there. And I look, you want some pizza, bro? You can take a box home. Bro, this is so packed, dude. I got lucky with the parking spot. Oh my god. Oh, damn. Give me some money, sir. It's alright, yeah. This is light work. That green piece of shit over there is worth more. So, this thing is so hard, bro. Is it hard or am I hard? Wait, what? I hearing some old dude pulled out, so I just stole his spot. But yeah, this car is getting decent attention. The wraps are peeling from up there. So dude, this car looks sick, bro. Everyone likes the color. I hope you guys like it too. Sick ass food. On the wheels.
I can't believe they slammed the Mercedes, man. That's so
sick, bro. Damn. Massive ass kid. Music is harassing my copyright, but check this out. V-Spec Midnight Purple 3. Oh my god, you're in the way. Yeah, bro, that shit's sick, bro. Damn. This is way too much money, man. Anything for the shot, bro. Anything for the shot, bro. Damn.
If you guys are right here, we're parking vehicles right here. We're parking vehicles right here. You're gonna have to move. You're gonna have to move.
Oh my god. Dude, that thing is sick, bro.
I don't even know where to begin. I was getting emotional driving up here today. I cannot thank you guys enough for being here and supporting me for so long. You guys are the best fans in the world. I love you guys so much. There's going to be a night to remember here at Strad Pizza in Scottsdale, Arizona. I love you guys. Let's eat some pizza.
Alright, well, this is probably the best look of the car I'm ever gonna get, you guys. Two Chirons. Man, this is light work, bro. This is not as much as SC, man.
Nah, this ain't shit, man.
I know, man. This is a light work right here, guys. I would have bought one, but I didn't. I don't know. I can't really say much that I don't like.
1UZ Mark III Supra, so much better.
Yeah, 10 times better.
Get up close. Show them the carbon.
Oh my god. Not like anyone cares, but you can actually move instead of being stuck. You can walk around, look at the cars. Damn.
Hey, no presidential car in mine.
He's sick, man. Better than pushing an NSX and walking next to a P1.
Understandable. Where do you go next?
Run over my foot, please. Holy shit. Yeah, what a situation we got ourselves in.
We just casually passed a P1.
Yeah. Hey, this NSX got a motor of 4 horsepower right here. Hey, sub 2 GT Tony while you're at it. Where are the wheels at? Oh. His wheels won't fit his caliper. Sorry, the weight is on my knees, so. Sick ass GTO. It's a Suzuki. So many. That's the Imperious Eclipse? Damn. That thing is sick, bro. Died down, it's not starting, so we got to get that situated with, but it's whatever, man. Back up, so, but like literally it's messed up, dude. I gotta just drive this home probably, so that might call it the night, and the video wasn't even that long, bro. So fun to drive, bro. Holy shit, bro. Even though it just died. Okay, bro, we gotta chill out, bro. We're heading to Angry Crab. So yeah, I don't think anything else is going on for the night. This is the crew for tonight. Hopefully my car starts, so let's see. All right, talk about your build.
Well, it's a 1989 Mark III Supra, and I had it for about 2 weeks, 100,000 miles on it, traded an Sc400 for it. 2 weeks into ownership, 7M decides to explode its head gasket, and I said, fuck, that sucks. Fuck rebuilding a GE 7M, so we went ahead and put a UZ in it out of a first-gen Sc400 and a W58 out of an IS300. W58 came out of a drift car and is absolutely toasted. Stock ECU for an Sc400. It runs like shit, it shifts like shit, the clutch sucks, but it runs and drive, and it's fucking awesome.
All right, we are going. Dang, this hood is long. Forza content, by the way. Dang. Dude, this thing, it rides pretty good.
Pretty damn good.
And it moves, too. Yep, no seatbelt on, but we're good. Damn! So that was AI driving, it was AI generated, but that's gonna be it for today's video. I didn't get more footage on the Strad man stuff, you know, the Strad pizza event. I wanted to get a slice of pizza and do like a little review for you guys, but line was too long. And then the car died. Yeah, and I was just trying to get out of there, man, you know. I was just trying to come home. We went to go eat, came home, and also my phone was about to die and I had no charge, so I couldn't record that much. But the car gets hella attention. It looks amazing, and like, I love it, dude. Again, I just wish there was one person in particular that would see this car, but she's not here with us anymore. So if you're up there, where's the moon at? If you're up there, then I hope you like my car. You know, kind of sucks, but you know, doing it for you, Mom. And hopefully she's looking down, because I know every time she gets in the car she's with me, so I guess that's how it goes. But the car is great, it looks amazing. We do got a problem right here. That's the only really the problem that I seen with the wrap. Everything looks good. Let's do like a quick walk around. Looks good. Good. It's just right here, the wrap started unpeeling a little bit. If you guys can see, yeah, you can see that right there. Yeah, that's, we gotta fix that. But otherwise, the wrap looks good everywhere else on the car. So we did a pretty good job. It's just too many mistakes. But otherwise, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I love you all. Thank you so much for the support on the build. And I hope you guys love the color again. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe. Peace out.